The growing for high-quality saucepans has skyrocketed, much like the mechanical keyboard craze among typists and gamers. Everyone wants better performance, durability, and comfort. This guide evaluates the best saucepan sets available on Amazon, focusing on their material quality, non-stick performance, heat distribution, ease of cleaning, and overall value. Whether you're a home chef or beginner, these picks will help elevate your cooking experience. List none. Sensarte ceramic cookware sets, pots and pans set, non-stick, non-toxic, healthy induction cookware. The Sensarte ceramic cookware set stands out for its healthy and eco-friendly design. Featuring a toxin-free ceramic coating, this set is ideal for anyone concerned about chemicals leaching into food. The non-stick surface works beautifully, letting you cook with minimal oil while ensuring easy cleanup. The cookware is induction compatible, heats evenly, and feels sturdy yet lightweight. Handles stay cool even during prolonged cooking, and the set includes a variety of sizes to cover most kitchen needs. List number: Tfoul Ultimate Hard Anodized Non-Stick Cookware Set, 14-piece. Oven broiler safe 400 Fahrenheit. Lid safe 300 Fahrenheit. If durability and versatility top your list, the Tfoul Ultimate Hard Anodized Cookware is a fantastic option. Its hard anodized aluminum construction provides superior resistance to scratches and corrosion, while maintaining excellent heat conductivity. The non-stick surface is impressive, making cooking and cleaning a breeze. What sets it apart is its oven and broiler safe feature, up to 400 Fahrenheit, expanding your cooking possibilities. The included glass lids are safe up to 350 Fahrenheit. List number: Caraway non-stick ceramic saucepan with lid, 3 quarts, non-toxic. The Caraway non-stick ceramic saucepan combines modern design with non-toxic, high-performance materials. With its 3-quart capacity, it's perfect for sauces, soups, and small family meals. The non-stick ceramic coating is free from PTFE, PFOA, and heavy metals, making it a safe and eco-friendly choice. Heat distribution is even and consistent, and the stainless steel handle feels secure and stays cool. It also comes in stylish colors, making it as beautiful as it is functional. If you're looking for a single list number: Tfoul Signature Non-Stick Cookware Set, 12-piece. Oven broiler safe, 350 F. Pots and pans for budget-conscious buyers who still want quality. The Tfoul Signature Non-Stick Cookware Set delivers excellent value. This 12-piece set includes a useful range of pots and pans, all featuring a durable non-stick interior that makes food release and cleanup effortless. It's oven-safe up to 350 Fahrenheit, and the ergonomically designed handles remain cool on the stovetop. The lightweight aluminum construction heats up quickly and evenly, making it ideal for everyday cooking, while it's not as heavy-duty as more premium options. List number 5. Sensarte White Ceramic Non-Stick Saucepan with Lid Set, Small Cooking Pot with Stay Cool Handle, Compact. Elegant and practical, the Sensarte White Ceramic Non-Stick Saucepan Set is perfect for small kitchens or minimalists. The white ceramic coating is free of toxins and provides a smooth, effective, non-stick surface. It excels at preparing small portions of soup, sauce, or oatmeal, with even heat distribution and minimal sticking. The Stay Cool handle ensures safe handling, and the matching lid seals in heat and moisture. With its sleek, white finish, this set doubles as a stylish serving piece.